Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are gonna talk about speed, how to increase the speed in your legs, okay? So we are gonna use an exercise for the cha-cha-cha. It's gonna be very simple. We're gonna try to go very fast into a check forward and replace a check and replace. I don't want it to be like a Cuban break, okay? I want it to be like a fast placement of the leg, and then we switch side. So we go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then we're gonna do a syncopated time step. So we're gonna go 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. And we're gonna try just to really pay attention on the speed. So one more time, the exercise is gonna be 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. And now we're gonna try to do it with the music. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and again. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Okay, so this is definitely also a workout. It's gonna increase also your stamina, okay? Make sure when you feel comfortable in doing it, just try to do the entire song, okay? So it's gonna build up even more, okay? And let me know what you wanna see in the next video. Thank you so much.